I have one. I'm gonna do my bias right now. Okay,
Oh,
Yeah, let's do this pre-market analysis. Let's see what I am. Dang. I gotta
I've
put.
already did the analysis
All right,
on my
I'm.
buy.
I'm probably gonna be bearish, but let me focus up real
Yeah.
quick. All right, wait, hold up. Shh, shh. Well, we have
Yeah.
bullish
So
AMD. Okay, we're gonna go 5 minute. Here we go. 15 right here, and this is hourly. Okay, so looking at this right now, looking at our boxes, it looks like we have mainly just lower price. We have a run above midnight open. We had a good short setup off of that. I'm also gonna note we have SMT between London high. Oh yeah, London highs. So yeah, session SMT, ESYM, ES/YM here. And if we fall through lower, this is where I have to utilize the higher time frame for just overall to see what. Oh my goodness, just to see overall what we're doing. So midnight open, we did have manipulation above midnight open. SIBI was respected. I'm gonna be bearish. We have a protected high that was respected, and we had a BPR, so protected high. Failed to get ran into. We pushed lower. This is actually a really good place to short. Shorts here would have been beautiful. I'm gonna make a breakdown about this. Hey, good morning, Sarah Deviation, bro. How are you? Oh, shoot, Trey. He's muted. Why is he muted? Yo, Trey, how are you?
I was in class yesterday. My
Yeah,
brother.
it's okay.
I didn't want that shit to happen again.
You're good.
Dude, yeah, I was in this call with one of my boys, and he took the inverse
Zeusy.
of the here go the 1 minute, the 847 candle.
Wait, was he about to short that?
Yeah, he did. He took that short.
Dang, okay.
Wait, no, maybe I think it was on the one like to the right of that, like the high. Yeah, that.
Bro, my model formed here off this inversion right here just because of 5 minute BPR, inverses gap, shorts off of this, stop at literally, what was it, top of the gap. That would have been beautiful. Down to, what's up?
can you see my screen? I
Yeah.
took it on the practice.
Oh, you
I
actually took it, dang.
No, I was
No,
stopped.
you're down. Haha, imagine.
But in the practice only.
Okay, still, you're learning. You should have waited for the inverse of the gap.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the only setup we have. I gotta go break it down real quick. Where do I break this down? I gotta get back into the habit of this. Is it in breakdown? No, I break. Maybe.
No.
Okay, I'll just put it in clutter. London lows. 850, beautiful setup. Federal Open Market Committee.
We are so close to the discount. 1 hour discount.
Yes, it's okay.
No, 4 hour discount.
Let me focus up.
I could tell it opened as soon as I saw the fucking ask and bid thing moving like that.
Yeah. What else was it? 1, 2, okay, yeah. Then I'll go on the fight. So.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Are you looking for anything right now, Trey?
I need EL to form on like every single thing I have. So
Let me have a crack at this. Which one? The gap right here?
Yes. Is that a full body camera?
15-minute BPR. I'm anticipating this to be protected height because it was also inside of, it was also the one that ran up these highs, and we also have Cibi that was being respected here, and we have SMT edit. We failed to run it out here, as you can see, so I'm pretty bearish on it. Overall, I want bearish delivery return to discount on Wednesday. I want to see us actually go lower throughout the whole week because we have a major new week opening gap here that I need to see get filled. So I'm very bearish. I'm anticipating just manipulation higher at the beginning of the week and then distribution lower, which I'm anticipating DXY to also run up higher. So it's pretty clear what we're going to do here. I'm just waiting for this to get ran out so we can put it inside of the thing. Uh-oh. Inducement of 0.5 of this wick.
It'll probably take out that low real quick though.
Yeah, and we'll draw liquidity.
Yeah, I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Oh, good. Okay, test that data. I don't think any students took that. I kind of frown on trading the pre-market macros, but regardless, it's around the same thing. I'm thinking today's actually gonna be a good day to trade. Do 5. I'm gonna be willing to take losses today. Be a little bit more aggressive and nonchalant with my entries, because I really gotta start entering. Not really forcing entries, but taking more entries.
Yeah, that's so fucking annoying, bro. I can't.
I'm gonna go mess around real quick just for this macro because I have nothing. Oh my goodness, Gavin, how are you? Oh shoot, I should do this.
Okay, I think I see something here like this. You think it will break through these eyes or no?
I don't want to see it break through these highs because if we break through these highs, it kind of ruins my whole day. My reasons the SMT at the highs really want to stay in place, and yeah, it's basically just the SMT at the highs and the BPR.
I have 1 hour wick theory plus 15 minute, or 15-minute wick theory plus 1 hour OTE.
Honestly, you should be good with it, because we have a bullish AMD profile, it's just AQ is just SMT at the lowest. So we have SMT both sides. YM is pumping, which is a good sign for longs, for you, honestly.
Oh, I'm looking for shorts, bro.
Oh, you're looking for shorts. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a bearish bias.
Mhm.
Also looking for shorts.
Perfect. We gotta get a 930% and get marked out.
I mean, honestly, if Nasdaq goes back and taps it, I'm probably gonna make that trade today.
Oh, okay.
It's going up because it's pumping right now.
Let me try to see what Trey was looking at. Are you gonna stream it?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'm kinda gonna clip farm it, okay?
Yeah. It's like this is 1 hour 6.62 and
Mhm.
then TD.
Okay.
It's got SMT here, which is like a good sign, I guess. And I think there's also SMT somewhere here.
Two contracts too.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Yeah. 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 There you go. I'm gonna screen record this one because I need it, bro.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a short now, guys.
You're not a mantis.
Huh?
You're not a mantis.
United Mantis.
SMT with ES already, bro.
You should be good. We're still pumping, which usually means we're gonna run up higher towards it. This would be. Did Stoic just say this would be low of week? Dang.
So this would be a nice low of the week.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Is ICT on Telegram? I'll see what he's saying. He is.
Hello.
Okay, upper quadrant ORG. Opening range gap, classical encroachment 2487. And breaker inversion now. Oh, shoot. Inverse breaker.
So should I be looking for longs?
I don't know. Cell side smoked. He just says upper quadrant have opening range gap. You use opening range gap, right? Powell taught it. Like regular trading hours, electronic trading hours.
I think so. Unless I just was not.
Close. Okay.
What is it?
Just like the gap that's like the opening range. I don't know how to explain it. That's aligned with your level really well though. Upper quadrant 2487 though. Yeah, he says noted. Or what was it? I'll put it in algorithmic observation too.
Oh man, did you join back in that leagues group?
Yeah, I did. They let me back in.
Yeah, I saw.
They chilled up. That dude's weird. That dude's a weirdo. The owner. When he's
I
chill.
know. I told my friend because he wanted in it. I was like, bro, send it to someone else and tell them to send it back to you, and then put it into a Google Doc, and then, bro, I'm not trying to get removed from that shit.
Dang. Wait, inside the Revelation server?
Yeah.
Dang. I already have Black Sheep that downloaded the whole server. If that dude does it, if that dude goes on a power trip, we're just gonna make it public. I'll put it as like a secondary thing in my bio. But then I'm chill with Powell. I don't know if he'd like that.
If you just like, oh yeah, I guess.
We're friends. Motorcycle.
guys a Ducati, the V4, bro?
Yeah, beautiful. I'm
So
probably
nice.
definitely. What was it? I thought he was gonna get an S1K. I don't know why he settled with the Ducati.
Yeah, he was, because he posted on his TikTok and was like looking at different bikes he wanted.
I know. I was talking to him. I was like, "Yo, you should get an S1K and stuff." They're so. He said he would, and then he got a Ducati.
Wait, did you get on a call with him or not?
No, never. I just what was it? DM him on either Insta, TikTok, or I'm in his comments.
Oh, because genuinely, like, okay, wait, I don't know.
Hmm.
I can't even copy trade this, bro.
Really? Why?
I need it to be like, I need to take it on, oh crap, I don't, 488.25, because I can't put a TP yet, and I have to leave for school soon, so I don't want to have to like go through each account while I'm driving.
Yeah. It's almost impossible to win while you're driving. It gives you bad luck the second you decide to drive and trade. I've never won a trade while driving.
Bro, that's so relatable, bro. I kid you not. Last time I blew a funded while I was driving.
Yeah. It's like you get punished for endangering yourself for trading and driving. It's crazy.
It's actually a punishment.
I want to see if we go above or stay below this 930 gap. My YouTube chat. Bro, I deleted People Playground. I don't know why it was there.
Do you post Mantis on TikTok?
I post sometimes, yeah. I want to post again. That's why I'm recording Trey for content. I recorded his last trade. Oh my goodness. Nice. These are the last things I uploaded. 5 minutes until 950. We'll see. I mean, the SMT at the high is okay, I guess. If it's just kind of giving.
Mantas, I'm short though. Yeah, good entry, short.
Okay.
You remember yesterday I called the high of the day. I said you the level and you
Yes.
topped it.
Very nice.
Oh wait,
I got like 300 ticks of it.
that's like big SMT with ES right now.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's uncorrelation. If it doesn't straighten itself out by the time we get to like 950, I'm gonna have to sit out and wait for it to fix itself. We're above 930, or we are reacting off of 930%, and this BC right here, which is giving me more confirmation that I would want to be bullish here. So we'll see what happens. Maybe like a complete gap fill, but then again, your level should be fine. I think.
If this short holds, it will hold. This high will hold for the rest of the day. The shorts hold. Let's look at the value of
On GTA.
What?
So I'm gonna hop on GTA.
This early in the morning, bro.
Done with trading.
Did you catch a win or a loss? Oh yeah, bro. That's sick.
First trade was a loss. Cause I ran through a low or a 15-minute.
I'm gonna be very bearish if we close below this 930 gap.
I'd hope we come back to my thing before leaving for the day, bro.
Yeah, I hope so too.
I have to go in 4 minutes to school.
Mantis, you see that red line that you have marked in the chart?
Yeah.
I have my TP set there. It could be hit.
Yeah, you showed. What is this red line? Bro, this red line was a demonstration on my. Okay, you're good.
Oh my gosh, I think it just hit, didn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro,
right.
it went straight through it.
Literally like off by a hair.
Yeah, close below 930% of gap, we go lower.
I'm gonna wait till it hits it.
Okay.
I mean, I'm trading on my live, bro. I should really just not be greedy, but I gotta stay. I gotta stay
How
true to
much are
my.
you trading live with?
I mean, last time I started with like $200, and then I blew that shit. So I'm starting all over again with like $1,000, and I'm up
Okay.
like 700.
Bro, I just got bashed for DP1 so hard.
Once it gets like it's coming. Oh, I think ES is gonna take this low too, maybe.
Really? Okay.
That'd be good actually.
Go, go, go,
I don't want any bullish S&P.
go. Bro, one thing. Edge
I
again.
literally did one tiny edge.
Okay,
Okay.
DP1.
Relax.
DP1. Stops your break even.
The
Good shit.
emotional
That's it.
trader.
I
Oh,
hope this
look.
runs for the rest of the day.
Yeah, it should. We're having distribution lower.
Cool.
I had the level at 465.5. Like, it didn't top tick, but close enough.
Dude, I'm also on a short for gold. I don't know if you guys trade gold here, and I'm up a lot.
We don't
I
trade
hate
gold.
trading. I hate gold because of the fact that I didn't know. One time I was on the eval and I got maximum loss because I didn't know that. That's when I used to trade micros,
Yeah.
and I didn't realize I entered a trade, bro, with like, what was it, like maybe 7 mini wolves futures, bro.
Dude. Bro.
I got raped in like seconds, dude. And when it hit, it's just the fact that it hit my daily drawdown before going to TP.
That's usually how it is with gold, bro. Gold, but I'm pretty sure like everybody has a love-hate relationship. It can either like fuck you or make you.
I might leave like 2 micros to the
We're gonna have to look for longs to sign 950 for a good trade. It's crazy, but 950 macro is gonna make us look for longs. We'll see.
Now I'm leaving these 2 micros to the fucking movie can opening gap.
I think it's gonna have a little bullish run right here off this level. Hopefully.
Do you guys think Nas is gonna keep going down?
Goodness me.
Yes, bro.
I hope not.
I hope so.
Damn.
You're in long.
Bro, I'm short at fucking top.
Yeah.
I'm
Entering
kinda
short
short,
at
but
465, 45.
Pretty sure we all took the same trade.
I don't know.
Did I?
Do you trade order flow?
Mmm.
I trade off of, you know, versus
Hey,
breaker
Mantas,
structure.
I'll catch you later.
Ugly, bro. See you later. Take it easy, okay?
Peace.
See you.
Cause
Gone too soon. What a young soul.
it's gonna sound stupid, but I bought the TJR's Mastermind, bro.
That's
and,
not stupid. Like,
How was it?
and I just
I don't see why people.
Wait, wait, wait. I need to get a review. Wait, hold up.
Good money.
Let me hear it. Okay, so how do you feel about his mastermind?
Mastermind was good, bro. You know, I enjoyed actually taking the classes, but the only part of it is that it's not TJR's if you become profitable or not. It's honestly up to you if you're willing to put in the work. Cause I still have some of his videos,
Exactly.
and
That's trade.
it's literally like he goes over like order blocks and everything, and that's just me going back and sometimes watching them in case I forget.
Okay.
But honestly, I enjoyed it. Was it worth $2,000? Probably not, but I would
Wait,
have been fine paying 500,
did you pay 2K for it?
2,500. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, bro.
What?
That's cool.
Oh yeah. How much you pay? I'm pretty sure you were at the Mastermind, weren't you?
The mastermind?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in it. No, I'm just kidding. I was never in it. Heavy delta. This might be low of day. 850, a heavy delta. No way this is low of day. We're selling off.
Yeah, we're selling off for sure.
And a power of 3 bearish. Okay, Romeo. Hello.
I just got back from school. I'm so angry because my bus like is getting.
Sadly, one will enter by 6 micros.
Okay, bro. Let's not be greedy. Wanting
Yeah,
more,
we
bro.
should-
Let's
we
be
should.
happy with what we got.
Delta flip.
Like,
Or-
trust me, bro. I wish I could enter with like more lots on my
Yeah.
live.
Listen, guys. If we flip like 370 and 360, like if we flip that zone, go below it, we're melting down to it.
Both take profits, I gotta move. Christian news isn't even that bad. Pretty good.
Okay. What was it called? Oh, what is a delta flip? No name. You know?
Delta flip, I don't trade that.
Okay.
Like what I trade order flow, but I don't look at the footprints, you know?
Mhm.
I only mark up levels. There are like values, areas, and shit like that.
Okay. Supply and demand order flow.
No, not supply.
Oh
Like,
my god. There's
yeah,
dumping.
we are dumping, yeah, because if we close below the wick, like you see this wick, we're dumping if we close below.
Yeah. Here. Okay. If you want to make $3, I could show you how to make $3. I'll go 1 micro, $3 take profit, and just go short, and that'll make me $3. That'll
Hey, bro,
eval with you.
that's $3 more. That's $3 more on the day, bro.
Yeah, but
Like go 1 micro short and if new wick open again.
we gotta fill this gap long for 1 point. Boom. That's it. I'm not actually gonna do that, but still. That's just the way I do it. If I was $3 away from passing an eval, I'm just gonna. Well, it's bad habits, but usually all the ways I've done it, if I'm being honest, is just entering. If I'm like a few dollars away just to make it a 1 EQ contract. And if I lose $100 doing that, then I wait for another good setup. Then I finish it there. If that one loses, I wait for another setup. But if I'm really close, I just try to finish it.
I'm
My
gonna
boy
say,
entered the same shorts as me, but he entered two minis.
I'm gonna say this with like the utmost respect, Mantis. That's the most overtraded shit I've ever heard.
Oh,
But you gotta respect your trading rules, bro.
for $3.
It's $3.
Yeah, I know, but like, if he enters, right, no stop loss, no nothing.
No, I said stop loss. It's 1-to-1,
Oh.
$3. Wait, this is what I do. This is This is exactly what I do, bro.
Bro, I kid you not.
This is it,
I did that shit
and then that's it.
last-
Just boom.
I did that shit last night. I was like $2 away from my funded. I was like, you know what? I'm alarm this shit and get like a couple, $10.
Can you do the fun?
You have 4 tries of $5. If you lose that,
I
you're
didn't
down
close my
$20, and then you could just look for a really good setup.
I just hit the daily drawdown, like 1K.
Uh-huh. I'm watching SMT right now. We might not get a good setup.
What do you think about longs right now?
Well, that's the only setup we can actually take properly. We are going to be looking for longs, and our take profit will be above this high. More than likely a rerun, retrace into the discount of the range, if I'm being honest. So we could go lower, push this thing into discount, and then start to look for a proper high. I want to see this inversion. I want to see this gap turn inversion.
Wait, hold on.
We're getting our criteria.
You don't have the hypermobility inversion? on
Huh?
You don't have the hypermobility inversion?
Oh,
Wait,
please.
hold on.
We're melting down.
Just give it a second.
No, that's just me.
Yeah, you're tripping out, Romeo.
No, that's just on US Tech.
Just give me a
Yo,
second.
Mantas, why is Valid not trading because of the time change?
I think he's at school. He's been prioritizing school more than trading now.
Maybe, you know,
Come on.
because for me it's hard to trade now too. I live like next to him. But like, because of the daylight savings, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Because in USA there is daylight savings now, and in Lithuania and Latvia we didn't have daylight savings yet. We'll have like this week.
I thought you guys did. I googled it to make sure, and I thought
No,
you.
we didn't.
That's interesting.
We will have like the last day of this month.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe
So
should I take
actually-
one for now?
I should rip through, bro.
Wait, if I take one more off and leave like one to the bottom, you will hope.
God. Golly, that is dumping.
Golly, he's right. Oh my goodness, we're coming back down to the New Day opening gap. This is too soon.
Sir, yes we are.
I should have stayed in the trade.
Oh, bro, I'm so fucking sick.
Bro, imagine the reaction, we filmed that shit.
Yeah,
Like,
this is good though because if you get a reaction now,
this would
we
be
get
like,
up.
I'm already up like how many? Already up like 550, no, 606. The new week opening gap would be fucking 1.5k ticks in a day.
Hey, dude,
Live.
Oh, what's up?
did you check the standard deviations on this?
I mean, that is a good idea. Thank you for mentioning that. I've been kind of slacking, especially in marking out my session liquidity too, or our point liquidity. Stop!
That is a great candle right there. Yeah, we are. Oh, -5. Oh, yeah, no.
Oh no, look at what we did instead of second though. You could see that we still, I'm pretty sure we still respected it. Come down to second, retrace, shorts, or actually longs at the bottom of this instead of second, the inducement above it would have been good. At least to discount the range, and then we look for shorts past discount. This has to be another thing I put into the short, because retrace it to discount after second standard deviation is a really good sign that we would be going lower past that.
Bro, what in the fucking tariff all day, bro?
Tariffs go into effect April 2nd.
Okay, so did I tell you that yesterday I took shorts exactly 1309?
Really?
I knew that motherfucker was me. Bro, I ended up 3K in profit.
Oh my goodness. I gotta look for, I mean,
Full board shorts.
pumping YM weekly. Let's see the daily actually. I'm gonna be following this to the daily now since we're closer to Wednesday. Putting it to this. I think we're gonna fill it. Okay.
Bro, what is this dog, bro?
Oh, honestly, a BPR would be good here, but I won't take a BPR. We're gonna have to wait till next macro. So, that's just how it goes. Try to watch. No, I'm not telling you, Jack.
That I ran, shut up. That I ran from my bus stop to my house thinking I was gonna catch 15 RR.
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me I have to wait till next macro?
You have to wait until probably 3 macros if you want to find a setup. In conditions like this, I kind of shift my trading. Like, last week you saw in good conditions, I was trying to bang out as much points as possible, like hitting 200, 300, 400 points, because conditions were actually manageable. In this, I really just look for the best AM trade or the best PM trade. That's what I really refined myself down to. So, unless I find, like, the best trade of the AM session, like, everything lines up, then I'll take that. But if it doesn't, then I really just pass on it, even though if there's a mid setup, because all the mid setups last week, they played out really well. Like, a mid setup would literally be this inversion right here, and I'd take that and it'd play out. But now, conditions are shakier, I don't really want to do that.
I'm gonna take it for you.
Yeah. Okay. You got this,
I'm
Roy.
by the way, if anybody doesn't know this, I made an account especially for Mantas signals on TradingView paper trading. And I just named it Mantas signals.
Is it down?
It's invalid or is it valid?
Is it down?
Is it down? Yeah, it's down like 15k. No, I'm just joking. It's down. It's down like 1k
Mm-hmm.
from like 3k.
3 days?
3k.
Oh, okay, okay.
Wait, do you think that game would inverse Mantas?
Huh? Well, not what I'm gonna take. It's just something I want to watch. I hate entering off like the first inversion of like a massive move down, especially against the power of 3. It's a nightmare for me.
Failed to create account. Not you, Mantas.
Oh my god, I have school in 10 minutes. I'll be back.
Yeah, prepare for that.
Motherfucker, I just got back. School at 10 a.m. What? Since when? You have a lot of SMPs right now. Like, we have too many SMPs. Oh shit, did y'all hear that?
Would you ever have a pet monkey, Romeo?
A pet monkey. I mean, we already have them in Italy, so yeah.
What about an elephant?
Whoa.
Don't do this. Don't do this.
How
Don't
the
do
fuck
this.
am I gonna keep an elephant in my house?
I'm wondering.
You know what kind of monkeys I'm talking about, man. So you know what I'm talking about.
Okay, here, let's see what restart deviation. 20 limit, commission though, how do I market sell in this market? I don't want to degen my bill repaid this morning, so you got 30 days to pass to get $3. 2 minutes for A plus. This is the guy that's, what was it? $3 away from passing his eval right now.
So I'll pass you. I'll super low. I'll just pass it for you.
TP. What does TPO mean? Time price opportunity value area high. The lingo. Are you gonna paper trade this Romeo
Where
if
the
we inverse this?
fuck did Mantas go?
Oh, he left. He doesn't like ICT traders.
Mammoth?
Yeah. He's order flow.
He was giving us signals though.
Huh?
He was giving us signals.
He was. Restart deviation will take his place. Krim is a nicer. He won't leave us.
Alright. I'm taking this as soon as it closes. No, actually as soon as it reaches.
Okay.
But yeah, this is definitely gonna be an expansion up. Manipulation for 10 a.m. Could I target 8:30 open? I could target. But I could target first.
Alright, guys. I am going to be leaving for school now.
Goodbye.
Damn, bro.
Good easy.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. Alright, guys. Have a good day.
Yeah, man. Have a good day, too.
Peace out.
Bro, what is this setup?
Not really a setup. We're gonna be through the macro though. At least I'm getting content from my YouTube. I'm just happier about that.
Yeah, make sure to make me the #1 thing in your videos. I need some professional opinions. If you ever need some professional opinions, call Romeo at fucking professionalopinions.com. $100 per opinion.
What are you gonna do with your first payout, Romeo?
First payout, well, you already know what the first thing is. I can't really say it out loud. But I'm just gonna put it in a live account for the most of it.
Really? Even if it's just a 2K
Yeah.
payout, you're gonna put it on a live?
Why not? I
Okay.
mean, if you really think about it, trading a live account is way
Yeah.
better than trading a funded.
I'd honestly expect you to be trading a live account.
Why, 'cause I'm Italian?
No, it's just I don't know. I've met a lot of people like you, traders like you, and mostly people like you, M250Cal. A lot of people I know they just trade their own personal accounts. They're really the type to get funded.
Yeah, because there's like no strict rules that you have to follow. You wanna pay yourself out whatever the fuck you want, you know? And also there's less taxes.
Whose taxes?
Like, for example, if you get a funded in Italy, you have to pay like around 60 to 70% taxes.
Oh.
If you get a personal account, you have to pay 27%.
Really?
So you can clearly see, yeah, you have to open something that's called like a partita IVA, which is like VAT. It's like additional taxes because you're opening up a personal, what's it called? Personal business. So you have to pay taxes on what you do. And there's just a bunch of other stupid fucking rules that we have in Italy. But yeah, partita IVA is one of the biggest ones because you have to pay, like, say you make $50,000 a year from trading, say, you have to pay like, there's so many steps, bro. It's just so hard to tell you. It's just difficult. Like, it's not. I can't explain it in a simple way.
It's okay. Taxes aren't really a simple thing to do.
Yeah, no, exactly.
Anyways, I don't think I'm gonna take this. I'm probably gonna wait for the 4-hour power 3 to develop a little bit further. Kind of got heavy distribution lower after the session. SMT previous day London lows are still intact. I'm gonna think of this as inducement, and we're gonna try to rebalance this range because this range is really long. We don't really want to try pushing for shorts after a large expansion like this. Our goal is to find retracements, and it kind of lines up with the setup I'd rather see. It's just we only have an IFEG here. It's not really something that's crazy. I would have preferred to see an IFEG reacting after this 2-day opening gap. We don't really have much for us to try to look for in terms of like something we tap into and manipulate off of. Which I'd rather see like 4-hour gap, hourly gap, one key level for us to bounce off of, but we don't have any. So it's mainly just more than likely gonna accumulate into.
Next macro.
Yeah, we're probably just gonna keep it in here and shoot lower up the civvy. I like to see us tap into the city opening gap though. So yeah, we could always wait. More structure. On a beach? Okay. Bishop Duke Grenade. Let's go. That's good. Yeah.
Why is like this is something that I'm noticing. Like 1 week the market is goaded and the other week the market is absolute fucking bullshit. Like what's going on?
What was it? When I do make another top step account, I'm really contemplating just buying 5 accounts and trying to scale them as much as possible. Turning like 5 to 7 M&Q and just try to pass it. Not really fast, because I can always afford the rebuilds and stuff, and once I do pass it, I just trade like 3 M&Q contracts until a payout, and then
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'll mute
scale from that. That's probably the best case for me when I turn 18, just to get income back. Because I've kind of just let it go in terms of, like, trying to be aggressively funded, trying to take payouts aggressively until I turn 18, because I know it's a loser's game for me. It's demotivating, because I don't want to go super far where I get funded, I get to the payout stage, I pay the activation fee, I spend like weeks on that account, which they only refund you for 14 days in the past, but I don't want to have to go through that trade for like 2 or 3 weeks, and I find out I don't get the payout and I don't get a refund on the account, and it was just time and money wasted. Of course, I always get experience because I'm journaling everything I do. Like from here, journaling what I'm expecting and always going back on it, and I'm understanding what setups worked out and stuff. I'm learning in that regard, which is always good. But in terms of like actual results I'm pulling in, it's not really anything too crazy. So, I gotta stir it.
Don't speak like XQC.
What?
I'm just no. Somebody said I speak like XQC. What do you mean? It's poor. We had SMT with it, bro. What are you talking about?